back again with another beading tutorial. I have an Etsy shop called Alma Surfside where I sell handmade beach and surf inspired jewelry. So if you're interested in that type of jewelry, I'll leave a link down below and you can check it out. You can also find me on Instagram. Alma Surfside 7 is my username, so please take a look at my Instagram account and follow me if you want. So for over the past few weeks we've been doing a number of different projects, and today I thought I would do something very simple. It's called the herringbone stitch, and that's what I've used to create this necklace. And it's a repetitive pattern that I've come up with, but I think it's really elevated by the gold bugle beads and you know, the luster white seed beads. I think they just work really well together. It's sort of a classic necklace that you can wear with pretty much any outfit. And I also created a bracelet, this one here, using a similar technique. And I guess the main difference is that I've created, you know, a focal point with the superduos, and then I've gone back to the very simple herringbone stitch using gold seed beads and bugle beads in size number 2. So at some point I'll go over the bracelet, but for today's project I just want to do the very simple necklace. And I think you guys will really enjoy making it. It's a repetitive pattern. So my plan for today is to go over 3 of the segments of the necklace. Okay, because it does repeat, I don't think it's necessary to, you know, spend the time going through every single part of it. But what we'll be covering is, you know, this first segment with the bugles, seed beads, bugles, the middle part, which is white seed beads, and then again, bugles, seed beads, bugles. Okay, so the first 3 segments of the necklace. And that should get you off to a good start, and then you can just finish it on your own. And of course at the end of the video I'll show you how to finish off the necklace. In terms of materials, we have seed beads in white, and these are 11/0 white opaque luster beads. Okay, and these are by Toho. I'll also be using 11/0 gold galvanized, and again these are from Toho. 15/0 gold galvanized, and that's just for the loop, okay, on each end of the necklace. And I'll also be using number 2 bugle beads, and these are in light gold and SL, which I'm assuming means silver lined. Okay, so those are the supplies that I'll be using today. You'll also need fireline in 0.006 or wildfire or nylon thread, whatever your preference is. And of course you'll need a beading needle, and you'll need 2 jump rings and a lobster claw. Okay, so I have my needle and I have my beading thread here already pre-cut to an arm's length worth of thread. And I'm going to start off the project by picking up 2 of my number 2 bugle beads, pushing them down on my thread. I'm going to leave about a 6-inch tail just so I can finish it off later on. And I'm going to insert my needle through the very first bugle bead that I put on my thread. Okay, so your bugle beads should be sitting side by side. And at this point, I'm going to pick up 2 of my number 11 seed beads, okay, in galvanized gold. And I'm going to go down the opposite side, so the right side, because my thread is coming out of the left bugle bead, so I'm going to go down the other one and pull on my thread so that the 2 seed beads sit at the top. Okay, put my needle through the opposite side and go up through the 2 beads. Okay, again I'm going to pick up 2 more of the number 11/0 seed beads in gold galvanized. I'm going to go down 1 of the seed beads, pull on my thread, and then I'm going to go up 2 of the seed beads on the opposite side. Okay, again, 2 more of the gold seed beads. So with herringbone, it's always go down 1. Okay, so this one on the right, pull in your thread, and then go up 2 on the opposite side. Now I'm ready for 2 more bugle beads, so I'm going to put those on my needle. Okay, go down 1 bead, and then go up 2 of the seed, or 2 of the beads I should say, so 1 seed bead and the bugle. Now I'm ready for the white, so I'm going to pick up 2 of the white seed beads, go down the bugle, pull in my thread, and go up the opposite bugle plus the white seed bead. Okay, so I'm going to do a total of 5 rows with the white. Okay, so I'll just take a minute to do that. Two more of the white seed beads. Okay, and then this will be the last set in this row. Okay, so that's what you should have so far, and then I'm going to go back to my bugles. I'm going to pick up 2 of them. Okay, push them down on my thread, go down the white bead on the right, there we go. Okay, and now I'm ready for 3 of my gold seed beads. So that's the pattern I've done. I've done 3, 5, 3, 5, and so on. So I'm going to pick up 2 more, go down the right side, go up the left side, pick up 2 more, and my last 2. And then I'm ready for 2 more bugle beads. Okay, so that's the basic pattern that I've done. If you notice that there's a little bit of a split in between 2 of the bugle beads, don't hesitate to do it again. Okay, so that just secures them and makes them sit closer together. So that's the basic pattern that I've created. So it's bugle beads, 3 rows of the gold seed beads, more bugle beads, 5 rows of the white seed beads, and again just repeating over and over again until I reach the end of my necklace. Okay, and in a minute I'll show you how to finish it off. Okay, so I've reached the end of my necklace. I've measured out the right length for me, and now I'm ready to do the loop, which will be my closure. So to do that, I'm going to pick up a total of 7 of the 15/0 seed beads in gold. Okay, that's what I have on my needle, 7. And I'm going to go into the opposite side of where my thread is coming out. Okay. So that's what creates the loop. I'm going to go up the other side, so in this case the left hand side, and I'm going to go up all of the seed beads that I just added on to reinforce it. Okay, so I've gone through twice. Now I'm going to go back down the bugle bead on the right. I'm going to go down 1 more seed bead. Okay, and then I'm going to push my needle through the inside of the herringbone stitch. Okay, so right down the middle of the row. Go around the outside, put my needle through the loop, and create a knot right here. Okay, that's my first knot. I can create a second knot by going through a few more of the seed beads and doing the exact same thing. So going down the middle, okay, of my white seed beads, going on the outside and tying off the knot. Okay, so that just makes it a lot stronger. Okay, so I have my scissors here, and I'm going to cut off the thread right there. Okay, and now I have some flat nose pliers. I'm going to pick up one of my jump rings, and I'm going to insert it into the loop that I just created. Close the jump ring. Okay, and then on the opposite side, I'm going to pick up the extra jump ring as well as the lobster claw and insert it into the loop. Okay. So that's the finished necklace that I created using the very easy herringbone stitch, which is, you know, you can't go wrong with it. It's just a very simple stitch that is repetitive, and I think this piece looks very classic with the white and gold. It looks very rich. I'm surprised at how expensive it looks, given that the supplies are very inexpensive. But, you know, just the combination and the bugles, I think, really are the highlight of the piece because they just have a very strong gold tone, and I don't know, they just look incredibly rich. So I hope you had fun making this necklace with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. I'd really appreciate it if you could take a few minutes to do those things. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.